Welcome to Hollywood.
So it appears Channing Tatum has been spotted at the Isle of Man filming a motion picture about the race with the likes of Brad Pitt, MGM, and Amazon, and I have the leaked script. Click off of this video if you're not interested in spoilers, but I bet you're wondering, where did I get the notes, these PDF notes about the leaked script? Well, my name is Yosemite Steve. I have a YouTube channel where I showcase my interests, which include motorcycles, track days, engine rebuilds, shooting, anything that a red-blooded bloke would like. And for the last 5 years, I have been home-based in Scotland, up and down the UK, doing track days, racing motorcycles across Europe. And now I'm in the States basically doing the same thing. But I built a team that has been working with Brad Pitt in the pits, and I was able to score some notes, not naming any names. And these notes say that this isn't just a racing movie. Supposedly, Tatum is playing a Homeland Security agent sent undercover to the most dangerous motorcycle race on Earth. Apparently, in the opening scene, it involves black Ducati V4/V2s being chased through the mountains by unmarked BMW police bikes. Because an international smuggling network is using superbikes and boats to move encrypted military tech through Europe. According to the so-called leak, Tatum plays Agent Ryan Walker, a Homeland Security operative embedded into the TT under the identity of an American racer. Channing Tatum plays the American international operative named Ryan Walker. And get this, his backstory is he's a former ICE agent who went rogue after a botched operation on the Mexican border. So now an unnamed agency sends him to the Isle of Man because apparently international fugitives are using superbikes to smuggle contraband across the Irish Sea. Motorcycles across the, and boats, I guess. So what else? Walker's mission is to infiltrate the paddock by actually qualifying for the senior TT. Easy enough. Should have cast me. Anyway, so the crypt says that he gets taken in by the underground tight-knit racing family led by local legend and casting choice Guy Martin, who's the head of the crew, with sister Eve Hewson playing the love interest. So I guess picture Channing Tatum trying to have a deep emotional conversations while guys aggressively drinking tea talking about tractor engines at 100 miles an hour or so. Anyways, notes. Eve, the sister, is the love interest. I guess because it's a Hollywood movie, Ryan Walker immediately falls in love with Guy Martin's sister. And in the second act, the head of the no-name agency, played by Wendell Pierce from the Jack Ryan series, tells him to sabotage Guy's bike before the big race, but Ryan has grown to respect the code of the road. There is a verbatim line in here where Channing Tatum says, "I live my life one apex at a time." I am lying to you. That's the script for Fast and the Furious. And in my next video, I wanted to cover how Hollywood hasn't made a movie like this ever. I think, 20, 25 years ago, they made Biker Boys, but never had big motion. And that was a low budget. Even Fast and Furious was low budget. But no Hollywood major studios have ever made a F1 style movie like this. And I want to talk about the cultural differences between the UK and here. Even MotoGP, the Italian, it's different. A lot of guys here in America, they're in the canyons, they're putting their life in danger, but they have no clue what it's like for the cold, the dirty, the ripped leathers, and I'm going to cover that in my next video. You know, I'm excited because last year I went to the Ridge for a Moto America race, and I was being shown around the paddock by Mike Hill, the announcer, and he pointed and said, "There's some guys in the tent right there that came from Drive to Survive." He's like, "I don't know why they're here, but they're here taking notes, and I wonder if they're connected." Well, you know, you got Keanu Reeves. He's got his own manufacturer of motors. He loves track days. I bet he wishes he could be a regular civilian like me. He can just do track days all he wants. Brad Pitt's the same way. I'm not sure if he's done track days. I'm not sure if Tatum's actually done track days, but he's on the bike. He's on an older bike. Oh, you know, I'm going to get to these notes on my next video because I have a feeling I know what direction this movie is going. But it's funny because when you go into the comments of the pictures and the videos on Facebook, a lot of guys are slagging Channing Tatum off because he's famous. I love it because they're about to shed light on the sport I love. You can't play video games or scroll through YouTube and I mean, yeah, you can get the layout of the track, but actually being on the bike, body position, reverse shift, quick shifter, everything about the bike, you know. And I mean, it costs so much money, but it's actually living. I mean, I guess drugs cost a lot of money, but and they're equally as dangerous. So sorry for lying to you. Leave a comment. And here, watch this. I got this idea while driving down the road to make this video, and watch the rest of me lying to my wife. I called my wife. I had to record it, but I lied to her, telling her basically the script. And she's from Scotland. This was her reply. So I found out what the movie premise is behind the Channing Tatum Isle of Man.
Okay.
And what Channing Tatum is doing is he's an international police officer. Okay?
Okay.
And he has to infiltrate the Isle of Man TT. And so there's a famous, they keep showing the famous girl, and she's, well, I guess she's one of the racers too, but she is like the love interest.
Okay.
And her brother, and they say the brother is being played by, is it John McGinnis, or is it it might even be Guy Martin. And so she is the sister of or maybe even the daughter of John McGinnis, or the sister of Guy Martin. So he's trying to infiltrate because back in England, they've been using the motorcycles to rob trucks.
Okay.
And like drive underneath the trucks to steal like VCRs and stuff.
Alright, so they basically just stole that line off Fast and Furious. Okay.
That's what I heard.
Okay. So basically, it's the motorbike version of Fast and Furious.
That's what they're saying, and like John McGinnis is like, and so he has to break in, and John McGinnis is like family, or even I don't know if it's Guy Martin. I don't know, but anyways, that's what they're saying.
Sounds like we've seen it all before.
Yeah. So.
And these kids are gonna be like, oh my god, it's so fresh.